Good day everyone, no matter where you're turning in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of trading ring, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Helen, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of the more fast-growing and forward-thinking funny trading firm in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Join me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and startup of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, our composed, always insightful Rob. Welcome, Rob.
Thank you so much, Helen, and hello everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this session because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund traders, it builds traders, step by step from starting out to scaling until earning.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart trading strategies, reside and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. We welcome Scarlett.
Thank you, Helen. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we're unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you ever have questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you're completely new or already a funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you the full picture, not just a highlight reel. We're going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from a traditional broker or law firm. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funded project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Brokers profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shaped our trading packages as well. Today we walk through each package, who is designed for, how to choose the right ones, and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our packages and thought which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison, rising account size, mark drawdown, consistency rules, payout timelines. Read the number on the website is one thing, understand the intention behind your number is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? We'll dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it is calculated, why floating P and out matters, and how to avoid violations, especially overnight. We'll also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstandings around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I will share real experiences from my early funded trading days, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your role, not limited.
And of course, we will through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we'll talk about a scale blend, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structural pathway to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of pro, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit-sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical platforms out there. When you trade on a funded account, follow the rules and generate profit, we'll share that profit with you and not just a small cut, up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the highlight. What really matters is the payout circle, the thresholds, how the timeline works, and we are breaking all of that down today so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
And now, I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just trader. Some of you are mentor, educator, community leaders, or you simply have a strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and more importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the two referral rules and the minimum funding requirement. No confusion, no surprise.
And that's super important. We see huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you're not just earning commissions, you're building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not your usual survey level live stream. Today we're going deep into everything. Trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale up pathway, profit sharing, and affiliate opportunities. All with one goal, helping you make a smarter or more informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here. We are watching and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters, this whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we'll leave timestamps, summaries, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They're one of the most dedicated team I worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this. WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment. A commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people around the world a structured, scalable path to turning trading into a professional, not a gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you're in exactly the right place. Let's take the journey together. Alright everyone, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into the platform. Understanding who we are and what we believe in isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so, this next segment is all about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where the WeMasterTrade came from, what value hold this entire platform together, and how the value transform into the real tool, real opportunities, and real outcome for traders like you. And what to walk us through that story, we have got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Rap and Scarlett. Rap, let's kick it off from the beginning.
Thanks, Helen. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most brokers or platforms that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeCapiTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCapiTrade made its name through investor network, copy trading technologies, and signals. But what about WeMasterTrade? It was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
There's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale-up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professional.
And the academy is really something special. We have a training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calculation to advanced multi-asset strategy. But the best part is, it's not just a theory, it's a built mirror to the real trading environment inside with WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the academy, you can apply directly to the funded account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to be the ISO certified regulation given to institutions that deliver high quality, structure, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows we are invested in developing traders, not just collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. While other firms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structures, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick wave, we're here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the stories we hear every day. If you visit our testimonials page, you'll see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some passed challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they never experienced before. We watched students turn into full-time traders. We've seen women step back into finance after a long career break, and young professionals from other banking regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem grows up funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with markets, we maintain a consistently updated blog section, quickly insights, psychology breakdown, market reaction, and platform updates. We believe trading is a long life grab, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening us. And let's talk about the culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just a fear, it's the mindset we cultivate integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube or talking to our live support team, we will notice one thing. We actually listen, which is a trader like partner, not a ticket number.
And I want to be very honest here. Platform, the trader is just another customer, but at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business, your feedback shapes the platform, your consistency determines how far we can scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare and is something we genuinely value.
So if you ever question whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonials, look at the funding accounts, talk to people who've been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
And to summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We're a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education-first trading institution. We're here to challenge the trading asset, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real, scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a broker, it's a trading movement, and if you're ready to be part of it, today's live stream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Rob and Scala, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we will take for the foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different account options as WeMasterTrade, how they differ, how they design for, and what kind of result you can realistically expect from it. Now we have explored who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we stand for. It's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where journey begins, choosing a structure that's aligned with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about dollar amount, we're talking the framework for growth. A pathway at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today, we will walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and more importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Helen. WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configurations because traders come with different strength, risk appetite, and timelines. We make sure there's a path for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike a challenge model, this is for those who already have tested strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rules that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, or 100,000, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1/100 leverage. There are no simulated phases. You are already in the funding stage, and your profits share up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skills, get familiar with the WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with a real capital immediately, with all progression and profit sharing benefit intact.
Exactly. Think of it this way. Challenge package build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding will trade your life capital immediately. If you're confident in your strategy, both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill levels and comfort with risk.
So whatever state you are, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there are WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding. So you can clearly see account size, risk rules, timeline, and profit share opportunities.
So the $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you pass all the broad challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, if just $50 for the $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part: the fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if you don't go your way, you are eligible for the 30% reset discount. So you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want a real capital from day one, earning purely based on result? That's where our instant funding package comes in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade with real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just live trading fully packed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, references, and roles. Today we will go through the four main instant funding packages: 510, 510, 510 OBC, and customized. We will compare the detail, but most importantly, we will have you figure out which package is right for you.
And let me set the scene. All the instant funding packages give you the live trading asset from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluation. You pay one, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits up to the 90% profit share, scale plan to 1 million, support for EAs, swing trades, scalping, and even a safety strategy. Now let's go package by package. Let's skip gear to the 510 package. Same the maximum capital up to the $200,000, but now you get a 5% day lot and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you're in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, but fairly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility: scalping, EAs, neo trading, switch trading, swing trading, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is on about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
And this package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a tested intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who try with clear targets. That 10% profit might go act as a motivating milestone, keeping your focus and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restrictive.
So to sum up, a 510 to for high tolerance intraday and ambitious trader, and then we will dive into the 510 and 510 OBC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading style, including EAs, scalping, and more aggressive strategy. Now this one are personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term, the 510 package. You will get 5% daily lot, 10% overall lot, but 0 for profit targets. That's right, no number you are chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patiently, and let results come naturally.
For traders who thrive on the precision over pace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressures. No target, just trading, clean control, and strategy.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market sneakers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
So, who is this for? Veterans, swing traders, risk-conscious traders, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, this bucket will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to trade targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraint, the 5-10-10 no BC package. Scarlett, correct me if I'm wrong. This one removes the low frequency rule, right?
Exactly, same 5-10 risk profile but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swing, and you're not penalized for volatility in results.
Just a heads up, trade copiers aren't allowed, so this is for manual traders only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spike, this is the ideal arena.
Who's the for is for aggressive traders, risk taker, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the jarred out limits.
And last but not least, the customer package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rule, we fund your strategy.
You can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000, the largest funding option we offer. It's designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is premium all-access trading. You can use
Juggling bills, tracking expenses.
holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. And who's it for? Top-tier professionals, ex-hedge fund traders, high-volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hand.
And I always say, if you have tried all the model and nothing fixed, the customized bucket lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around variety, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameters, competitive commissions, full package asset, and training profit potential. No official time limit and payout. They start as early as the very next days.
And here's the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compound naturally.
And if you're ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashiest promise.
And we will explore our rules after having a short break.
Copy Trade.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. The crown for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new road, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Dragged up without our choice, yeah. Hair blown out to the window, singing something noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. Wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. Wanna know all you. Going on like a poster. I wanna have kids on my own, yeah. Live the life till it's over. But until we do, it's I'm feeling a little crazy, so I wanna be lazy. Wanna travel to the lady, fly you with you. Wanna take you on the road and do something. Put you by my side like it's nothing. Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you dropped out without a choice, yeah. Hair blown out to the window, singing. I just wanna get to know ya. Wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna know far to the ocean. I wanna know all you.
welcome back to our live stream. You have listened to packages. Now it's time to tackle the rule that can make or break your account, the daily loss limit. Stay tuned. This one separate from both the parties. Get to find a few amazing, but stay funded. That's the real one. And the number one reason account gets shut down wanting daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account initially on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, this rule becomes one of your best allies in risk management. Today we'll break it down step by step with real examples.
So what is it? Daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, set a hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second, and your account shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance. Is always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That more detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety leash. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5, your balance is $105,000, but equity is $107,000 thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates it from $107,000, the higher number.
With a 4%,
4% of $107,000 is about $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $2,720 that day, or is auto liquidation.
And here the kicker, this is a real time. The system doesn't wait, dip below for even second, and boom, account closed.
Now flip it. Day 7 balance is $100,000. Equity is $99,000 because some trades are lost.
Since balance is higher, 4% that loss means $4,000. Your equity must stay above $96,000 on day.
Drop to the $95,999 auto liquidation trigger. No margin call, no warning, just done.
So what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. All trades liquidated, account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, slippage can make the final profit and loss worse than expected. That's $3,900 loss you plan could turn into $4,200 in seconds.
That's why we always say, don't dance on the earth. Respect the limits, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright traders, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the broke mindset kicks in.
Tip number 1. Know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tip 2. Focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of a violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provide live risk dashboard. Check your loss data frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip number 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London sessions, stop, reflect, don't try to revenge trade back into the ring.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during NFP at full size. That's a fast strike to hitting daily loss. Scale down the loss, ride the bulls volatility, move safely.
Let's talk about the traps. What mistakes to traders make more often with daily loss?
Number 1. Over leveraging. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account thinking you will exit quickly. When it's go red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2. Holding overnight without checking exposure. 3 trades left overnight, wake up to 60 pip gap. Their loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only close trades matter. Nope. The equity includes floating profit and loss too. That's your risk score. And I always tell new traders that the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can't be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that and you'll last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point, it isn't about rules, it's just about trust. We must trade from you because we trust you, you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is to protect that trust for both sides. And we have covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day sit down. And now it's time to talk about the ultimate priority. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's just for entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm still safe. But a few days of small losses add up and suddenly
Safe.
liquidity.
Is managing you.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hidden in the system, see your account as unsalvageable. Immediate disclosure, no exceptions.
Let's break it down simply into total loss your account can subtract across all trades at any moment. If your equity including open trades dip below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss which reset each day, this is cumulative. Lose 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance. It's always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at 50,000 with a 6% mark loss, that is $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below 47,000. Doesn't matter if you make 1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Close $2,000, floating $1,200. Equity is $46,800. Below $47,000, account closed.
Not about the Nasian or lot across trades, it's about real-time equity versus the stop loss floor.
Now, say your account grows to 51,000, profit feels great, right?
Yep, but max loss is still based on the original $50,000. 6% limit equal to $47,000. Profit only gives an extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop the $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and auto liquidation triggers instantly. All trades close at market price.
And like the daily loss, rebates can make your final number slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And more importantly, one bridge. Account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rollback. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
Alright trader, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss pause and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tip number 1. Know your floor. Always track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dash wallet. Calculate it manually and awareness is half the battle.
Tip 2. Trade profits as ammo, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going wide. Reduce loss size when you're ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a horse. Even one growth trade can turn your cushion into catastrophes. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip 4. Step back when danger looms. If you're 5% down on a 6% max loss, don't chase it. Walk away, take a breath, analyze. Patience saves account.
And tip 5. Never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size. Gold, Nasdaq, Euro pairs, they spike fast. Respect the market, respect the limits.
Now let's review here the move that just strike out farther than you can blink.
Number 1. Over leveraging. Opening positions at 5 to 7% of your account, thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you are toast.
Number 2. Ignoring floating trades. Close 3 losers. Think they're safe. One more red trade floating $1,500 to $2,000. Boom, the account crossed the line.
3. Revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back swinging today to recover. That's how a 6% max loss disappears in 2 sections.
Number 4. Sleepy during news. Tie stop doesn't matter. A single candle can rebound your profit before you can blink.
Listen up, the mass loss isn't the enemy, it's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top traders I know treat it as non-negotiable. Cross it, and the lesson hits hard, account gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality track if you're constantly skimming the edge. The problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra trader. Respect the market loss. Trade inside the box. Rotate your equity. Grow consistently. Just like your best friend and it will keep your account alive while more traders sell the drug around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we are not just handling our capital, we are building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The mass loss rule, that's the line that separates gambler from true traders.
So, let's look this in trader. Here's what you need to remember about the market loss. It is percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. Is calculated from the real-time equity, not just your balance. It can both close and floating losses. Every penny matter. And here the kicker: once it reach, account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect that, trade smart, and you'll survive when most traders fail.
Alright trader, we have covered the daily loss and the macro rule, your capital safetiness. Now let's talk about the result, not just rate. As we want to trade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn substantially. That's where more frequency come in.
This rule separates lucky spy from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profit over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scales up. For the account withdraw full profit, this rule is properly wide.
As what is profit consistency? Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profits come in day to day. One huge price, and several flat or losing day, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profits. Exceptions, the 5-10-10 no BC package, no BC rule at all.
Important, if your PC exceeds 20%, your profit share drops to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in track if you want to maximize earning. And the formula is simple. Best trading day profit divided to total close profit and multiplied by 100 equal to the profit consistency ratio.
Best day means the single day highest close profit, while total profits mean the sum of on close profit minus close losses. Floating losses don't count until closed.
So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your PC will be the 200 divided 500 multiply 100 equal to 40%. That's too high, and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible.
5-day results: day 1 plus $100, day 2 plus $200, day 3 minus $50, day 4 plus $100, and day 5 plus $60.
So the total net profits equal 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 equal to $410.
The better is day 2 is the $200. The BC will be the 200 divided 410 multiplied 100 equal to the 48.78%.
Way above the 30% limit. Even though profitable, profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
And profit doesn't equal pace. Even profitable trader won't go a full profit share if seen actual concentrate.
If you rely on 1 or 2 monster days to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need steady wins.
Long-term balance is higher trust, scales up, and full profit share. And that's what secrets from tools from Lucky Spike. And how to improve the PC? If you over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out profits over multiple days.
Practical tips: reduce loss sizes for a few days, take smaller control wins, allow 200 to 300 per day. Avoid one massive swing trade and spread gains across multiple days.
For EA users, monitor your equity curves. Loss that's 5 profits one day might hurt growth efficiency, adjust to keep the ratio below 20 to 30% for full growth share.
The common mistake number 1, hitting the target early and resting inflate the best day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after a big day, trying to squeeze more, we mean the higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rule. Growth efficiency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
So, the profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it and even profitable accounts get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable growth is better than one lucky spike any day. Keep PC below 20 to 30% to maximize your growth share and scale fast.
So at the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can't be consistent with $25,000, what happens when we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. I've been WeMasterTrade with fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you're serious about long-term trading or just chasing like a spike.
And we have seen it time and again the trader who respect this rule, they are getting multiple payout, referrals, and eventually scale into six-figure funding accounts.
So don't fear the rule, embrace it as feedback. Too high, that's good, it means you make profit. Now the goal, balance it out over multiple sessions.
And remember, no manual math required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistic tab.
And now, quick recap for trader. This rule is about the balance, not value. Keep your beta under 20% of total growth before max payout. Spread your win across multiple sessions. Monitor progress using the dashboard. And alright, trader, we will move the calendar economic today.
Now, good afternoon everyone and welcome back to our live market breakdown. Today is shaping up to be a PMI-driven trading sessions with key data coming from Europe, the UK and the United States.
Exactly right. PMI releases are extremely important because they give us real-time insights into economic activity, especially in the manufacturing and service, two major pillars of any economy.
We started the day with a speech from the Reserve Bank of the New Zealand governor.
Central bank speeches like this can influence expectations around future interest rate policy. If the governor signals concern about inflation, that could be bullish for NZD.
But if the tone is cautious or highlight economic slowdown, the market may interpret it as dovish, putting pressure on the New Zealand dollar.
Let's move to France. The flash manufacturing PMI came out at 50.2, beating the forecast of 49.4 and slightly above the previous 50.1.
That's a positive sign. It shows the manufacturing sector is expanding, since PMI above 50 indicates growth.
However, the service PMI dropped to 48.3, below both forecast and previous readings.
Well, this creates a mixed signal, strong manufacturing but weak services. Since services dominate the economy, this could still be slightly bearish for the euro.
Now Germany, the largest economy in Europe, the manufacturing PMI came in at 51.7, well above forecast and previous.
Well, that's a strong upside surprise, suggesting industrial recovery in Germany.
But again, we see weakness in service. The service PMI dropped to 51.2, below expectations and previous levels.
So overall, Germany shows the same pattern, manufacturing improving, services slowing. This creates uncertainty in the euro direction.
When we combine France and Germany data, we can say the Eurozone economy is imbalanced.
Exactly. Traders might hesitate to push euro strongly in one direction. Short-term reaction could be volatile, but not trending unless more data confirms a clear direction.
Next, we move to the UK. For the forecast show manufacturing PMI at 50, Service PMI at 52.8.
Both are still above 50, meaning the UK economy is expected to remain in expansion territory, especially in services.
However, both numbers are lower than previous readings, which signals slowing growth momentum.
For GBP, this is a mildly bearish signal, especially if actual data comes in weaker than forecast.
Now let's talk about the US session, one of the most important parts of today.
The forecast showed that manufacturing PMI 51.5 slightly lower than the previous 51.6, whilst the services PMI 52 higher than previous 51.7.
This suggests the US economy is still resilient, especially in the services sector.
If actual data beats expectation, the US dollar could strengthen because it signals strong economic activity.
And that could put pressure on gold price, since a stronger dollar typically weighs on commodities.
Now we also have the Richmond Manufacturing Index forecast at -8, improving from -10.
Even though it's still negative, the improvement suggests the manufacturing sector is recovering slightly.
Market might react positively if the number beats expectation, reinforcing a bullish USD narrative.
So Ralph, how should traders approach today?
Well, today is a classic PMI volatility day. Here's the breakdown. For Euro pairs, mixed signal means expect choppy movement. GBP pairs slightly bearish bias if data weakens, when USD pairs potential strength if US PMI beats forecast.
And don't forget, BMI release often trigger fast spikes, especially within the first few minutes, and that's the end of our news.
And thank you so much to all amazing viewers who joined our live stream today. We truly appreciate your time and support. We hope this live session has helped you gain a better understanding of our community, our trading group. Stay tuned for our next live stream and happy trading.